Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, aDudemanbro, and I hope you all having a fantastic Sunday. This is the first video of Sunday. It's going to be my non-penny related stocks. So if you're new to the channel or you don't know about this series, this is where I just go over anything that's a non-penny stock that I'm looking to build a position on and slash that I think that you guys should check out. So if you want to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button, it really helps the YouTube algorithm for people to see my videos more, and really helps the channel out a lot. But before I go into what stocks I'm looking into, I want to say that I think next week is going to be kind of rocky, especially with everything going on with presidency going into the 20th of January. I think that we might start to see a little bit of rocky road. I'm still bullish on a lot of different stocks, and I think there's still a lot of money to be made. But definitely, if you're kind of sketchy about the stock market right now, take your profits early and make sure that you're selling going up. Sell your position out where you feel very comfortable with, because I think we're going to start seeing some rocky stuff going on. But anyway, let's jump into this here. First stock I want to talk about is Amazon. Amazon, I think, is really undervalued right now, especially with everything that's going on. I don't know one family or friend that did not purchase almost everything that they did for Christmas off of Amazon. I think that this is a strict earnings play going into, they are estimated to have it January 28th to February 1st. So we should start seeing some awesome gains from them. I think that this one is easily going to hit probably 3,400 going into earnings. So this is going to be a little bit of a couple week hold. I think that if we see the market open up crazy and it's even under 3,100, I think that is a steal. I think you're going to see some awesome gains, and we should start seeing some, with everything that they are doing right now, even with the pharmacy health type of angle that they're doing, and they're killing numbers. Everything that they're doing, people are ordering a lot more stuff off of Amazon. So I think it's an easy play here. Next one I want to talk about is Zoom. I think Zoom under $400 is an easy play right now, especially since they've started to show that they are as big, in the telemarket or teleconference as like Microsoft. Maybe they don't do as much as Microsoft, but they can hold up, with different profits and revenue they killed in 2020. I think that we're going to start seeing some awesome things. It went up to over $500 before. I think $558 was like the top. With everything that's going on, I think that we might be starting to see some more shutdowns and whatnot, especially with the craziness that's happening, in the Capitol and a bunch of different things. And on top of that, I want to say the volume on Friday and Thursday for $400 calls for Zoom, and even actually, if you look into it, $500 calls for like August and September of this year are up crazy. I think that a lot of people are also thinking the same thing. So get into this early so you're not chasing it, because I think that we see a bad day for Zoom where it even drops to 320, 315. I think you're going to see some awesome gains, and it could be an easy 10%, 15% trade where you make a good amount of money from. So keep this one on your watch list. Next one I want to talk about is TDOC. This is one that I haven't really talked about on the channel. They're a telehealth company, and they already kind of ran up to about $240 from $180. I wasn't quick enough on this one, kind of late a little bit to the party on this one. It was on my watch list at about $188, but unfortunately didn't put out a video fast enough on this one. But I'm still very bullish on this for a few different reasons. First of all, ARK is buying up the crap ton of this stock. If you guys just look at all these buys that are from December and even January of this year, institutional shares are about 75%, and insider is about 10%. So they own a lot of the shares of this stock, and I see that this might possibly be going crazy here soon, and I'm very bullish on it based off the chart. I think the chart looks fantastic, and I think that this could see an easy 15 to 20% gains short term. But this would definitely be a long-term play, I think, in my opinion. I think that you could easily see $300 to $400 on this stock end of 2021. I think that's not doable. That's actually there's a very good chance that could happen. So with the telehealth span going on, I want to say Clover. I also want to say CLOV. This is the IPOC call. I actually re-entered once I hit 17. I sold out a good amount of my position, but then not re-entered, but I bought a lot of position back at about 14. Still very bullish on this. I think that this is going to no problem hit $20 to $21 short term. With even it could go even bigger than that, with all the telehealth and all the different biotechs that are going crazy lately. This one could honestly see that very soon too. So wanted to bring that to your attention that I'm still in this one and I'm still very bullish. Next 2 or 3 I'm going to talk about are Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's at about 38,000 right now. It dropped about 3 to 4,000 within the last day or so, but I'm very bullish on these stocks. So Bitcoin, what do I think? Do I think this is the crash? No, not at all. I think that anything that is going up 100, 200% within a few different months or a few months, bound to have a pullback. And I think that's what we're going to start seeing here. I don't think that we're going to go under 30,000 or 35,000 anytime soon. I think that we're going to kind of dance with that level. But that is a great opportunity for us to get into these stocks for cheap. Mara and Riot, look for those pullbacks. Look for the sub $25, $24. For both of them. Even BT is another one that I brought up in the past. EBON, all those are very good candidates for this. Look for the 15 to 20% where they've lost and buy in. You should be an easy, month or two hold. Bitcoin should be back to where it's at if that happens, but you have to kind of play it for how Bitcoin plays. So this is one that you guys watch. This and Riot too. So keep an eye on those two because I think I'm very bullish. Next one I want to talk about is NIO. NIO's not one that I've talked about a lot on the channel, but I want to say that they've introduced a few different things within the last 24 hours. So first of all, they are partnering with NVIDIA, which is a good company that makes graphic cards and different components. I think that this is very, very good for this company, and that's why I have EVs and different EV plays are going to be on the watch going into next week. On top of that, they have a new long-distance battery that they are producing too, and I think that this is very bullish. That's why I have both NIO and Tesla on the chart, because I think that this is going to be pushing these crazy. But also, like I said, if this is out of your range of money, you don't have a couple thousand to play these two plays, but the EV plays should be sympathy off these, no problem. Even the DPWs, the Sunworks, the PECs, Pola, Solo, all those plays should see a pretty decent amount of upside from NIOs and also Tesla. When these two are up big, so are those other smaller plays. So, but before I wrap it up, because that's kind of all I have to say about that, is I want to say that I don't think biotechs are by far gone even. I think there's a few really good biotechs out there that are going to start seeing some running going on. That I'm going to be touching on a little bit of my penny stocks, but genomics are the ones that I would say to watch out for, especially, Kathy from ARC is talking about those a lot. But also at the same time, don't give up on oil. Like I said in my last video, I don't think oil is by far done. EV is the future, but so it's like solar and everything. But I think that we are a little bit we're a little bit away from that dream, that pipe dream. We're going to start seeing more oil, and people are going to, even those articles that I think Saudi Arabia is starting to lower its amount of drilling. So we're going to start seeing oil go up. So like the ships, even the different storing companies, the DHT, NAT, all those stocks I would definitely keep on your watch list, because you could see some awesome gains from those, especially since oil might be back into the play. And if they dip as EV is going up, I think that we can start seeing some huge gains from those within the near future. So I kind of just want to talk about that a little bit, but please leave in the comments below what you guys are watching this week for blue chips, stocks, and everything. And / how was your weekend? Did you enjoy your weekend? Did you do something fun? Leave that in the comments. I love to just communicate with you guys and just talk to everybody. The community is just amazing. The amount of positivity is just phenomenal, and that's why I like to see, there's enough negativity going on in the world that, I just would like to get on here and just spread some positivity. When I make money, when you guys make money, we kind of all make money together, and we're a big group, a big family is like I like to call it. So that's all I got to say about that. if you want to follow me on any social media, I have my Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon in the description below. I want to say thank you for all of the new Patreons. There's been a couple new ones, and it really helps out the channel a lot. You know, it allows me to be able to buy new equipment. We're really close to a new goal for different types of sound equipment, and even like a green screen and sound equipment. So I really appreciate that a lot, and I thank you guys so much. If you'd like to check out any of the platforms that I also use, I have my Robinhood and my Webull referral link in the description below. And Webull's actually doing a promotion right now where you can get up to 4 free stocks if you sign up using my link and you deposit $100 within the first 30 days. I would get additional 2 free stocks too, so you know, that would really help the channel out a lot, and I really appreciate anything, and you guys don't know how much I appreciate everything that you guys do. I hope that you guys are enjoying your weekend and are so ready for next week like I am, because I think that we're going to start seeing some craziness in the market, and that means volatility, means awesome gains, and possibly more videos from me. So anyway, remember to be humble but never satisfied. You know, learn from those losses, learn from those gains, and to always be pushing forward and being better. Stay classy. See you in the next one. Peace out, yo.